SneakerUps drop-off price and release date. What is up, sneaker fam? Today we are checking out a super clean addition to the All-Star lineup, the Air Jordan 1 High OG All-Star. This pair is leaning heavily into a minimal cool gray aesthetic, and let me tell you, it is a perfect match for this iconic silhouette. Just look at this upper. Jordan Brand went with a beautiful mix of crisp white leather and a soft, fuzzy gray suede that gives off some serious heritage vibes. Moving down to the outsole, we have got a beautiful icy finish that adds a refreshing touch of color under that neutral upper. It really rounds out the easy-to-wear vibe of the shoe. Whether you are at the game or just hitting the streets, these are designed to work year-round while still carrying a ton of personality. Mark your calendars. The Air Jordan 1 High OG All-Star is dropping February 12, 2026 for $185 at select retailers and on Nike.com. You definitely do not want to miss this clean classic. Peace.